Hello, good evening friends. Today I am going to explain the balancing redox reaction by oxidation number methods in acidic medium. So, in part first I discussed that is the in ion electron method. Now dear friend, today I am going to discuss in the what balancing redox reaction by oxidation number method. So in oxidation number method, this is also quite simple students to understand this method. Let us take with the help of example I am going to explain. So when you are going to take the example, let us take the question number 1. So question number 1 is there. If you are taking the hydrogen peroxide H2O2, and this hydrogen peroxide, if you are treating with the Fe2 plus, and it is the strong oxidizing agent student, what it will do, H2O2 convert Fe2 plus to, it will convert itself reduced H2O, and Fe2 plus will oxidize into Fe3 plus. So what in this equation student, let us go and solve. See, so if you are doing the solution student, you will find that one is the hydrogen peroxide is getting reduced and Fe2 plus is getting oxidized. So one is getting reduced and another is oxidized, that means it is the redox reaction. So let us see. So if we talk about that is H2O2 and it is reacting with the Fe2 plus, so what it is giving is student H2O and plus Fe3 plus. And if you want to know the what is the oxidation number of oxygen here, Fe is already Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus, there student they have already given. This is increase means oxidation. Now that is if you talk about the H2O student, you see H2O2. So H2O2 means student, if you are considering this is X, 2 oxygen means 2X, and hydrogen we know that is the oxidation number of hydrogen is plus 1, and if you multiply by 2, because 2 hydrogen atom, it is 0 because there is no charge on it. So dear friends, what will happen here, that is plus 2 plus 2x is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to, this will go this side, so minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 by 2. So x is equal to how much will come student, minus 1. So here is oxygen is having, dear friend, minus 1. Now we talk about the here is H2O. So if you are talking about H2O students, what is this is considered, this is X plus hydrogen is having my plus 1 and 2 hydrogen multiplied by 2 equal to 0, there is no charge on it. So plus 2 plus X is equal to 0. So X is equal to, this positive will go that side of equal to, it will come minus 2. So here what is coming student, minus 2. Up in this equation student, one is we got the oxidation already without calculation, another is what is there student. So minus 1, here is minus 1 to converting student in what, minus 2. Minus 1 to minus 1, the 2, that is decrease. A decrease is known as what student, this is known as what, reduction. So first step student, first step number first is what, write oxidation number. So that we did, write oxidation number. In very first step student, write oxidation number. So after writing the oxidation number, we understood that is which is, that is the redox reaction, oxidation reaction, and which is reduction reaction. Now student, what we are going to do, we are going to do step number 2. So let us understand student how to do step number 2. So if you want to know the step number 2 student, step number 2 is they saying that is equals the loss and gain of electron. So in this loss and gain of electron, we have to equal student. So let us see student here what H2O2 plus Fe2 plus is there student, Fe2 plus. Here what we are doing student, Fe2 plus, it is converting into what, H2O. Oxidation number already we have calculated student, Fe3 plus. So here you student, if you so this is minus 1 and this was minus 2. So minus 1 to minus 2 student. Okay, if you are going minus 1 to minus 2, how much how much loss is there student, loss of electron, if you can understand, that is how much student is getting loss in this process. So it will be easy to understand. So if you see student, in this process the loss is minus 1 to minus 2. So loss is what, decrease in oxidation number, by how much student, by minus 1. Okay, and here is increase in oxidation number, here is student, increase in oxidation number. Here if you see Fe2, here if you see Fe2, Fe3 plus. So increase how much, student? Increase is how much? Increase in plus 2. Okay, how much? Plus 1. Increase in oxidation number is plus 1. Now student, what we can do? Plus 2 to plus 3, that is plus 1. Now student, you see this is per atom, only one atom is there. So here is what is there, student? Per atom. But if you talk about this, student, how many atom? Per 2 atom. Per 2 atom. Per 2 atom. So here we have to understand, student, minus 1 loss is there by per 2 atom. Okay. So what we have to do, student, we have to multiply that. We have to multiply. So how we have to multiply, student? To equals this, how to multiply, you see, student. So here is per 2 atom is there. So you have to multiply by what? 2, student. So if you are multiply by 2, student, so how much it will come, student? You see how much it will come, student? That is loss is minus 2. Minus 2. And here is, that is what we have done, student, in this top side, that is Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. So Fe2 plus to Fe3, here is what is plus 1. So we have to see that is equals to loss and gain electron. So plus 1, if you multiply by 2, student, you will get that is positive 2. So plus 2 and minus 2, that is loss and gain become equal. Now see, student, where we have to multiply this. Okay, that we are going to understand now. So if you talk about the, here after multiplying, I am writing, student, H2O2 is there, H2O2, and here multiply, we no need to multiply, already per 2 atom is there, student. Then Fe2 plus, student, Fe2 plus, here multiply by 2 to equals the loss and gain of electron. Okay, loss of electron equal, we are multiplying by Fe2 plus, student. Now here it is giving rise, student, H2O. Now H2O, student, here you have to multiply per 2 atom, here is there, but here is not, this side not per 2 atom. So here is we are multiplying by 2 to make per 2 atom. Plus what we are doing here, Fe, this is again multiply by 2. So it is 2 Fe3 plus. Now student, what we have to understand is, we are going to understand step number, next step number 3. So if you are going to understand step number 3, student, what is step number 3, student? Balance the charges by balance the oxygen. Okay, balance the oxygen by adding electron. By adding electron, balance the oxygen by adding not electron, by adding H2O and hydrogen by H plus in acidic medium. In acidic medium. So dear student, let us see how to balance. So H2O2 is there, student, H2O2 plus, here is 2 Fe2 plus is there. Now if you see, student, what we can do, here is 2H2O plus 2 Fe3 plus. Now student, you see number of hydrogen and number of oxygen. So oxygen 2, here is also oxygen 2, Fe2, but hydrogen 2 to the 4, here is 2. So dear student, here we are putting that is 2H plus. Okay, now it is balance. Step number 4, student, what we have to do is step number 4. If you are going to step number 4, student, check your answer. Check the answer. So how to check, how we will be able to check the answer, student? Let us check the answer. H, O, Fe and charge. Okay, this we have to take. Here this is also H, O, Fe and charge. So if you see, student, how many hydrogen atom? 4. 2 here, 2 here. Oxygen atom how many? 2. Oxygen is 2. Okay. Now Fe is how many, student? 2. And this side you go hydrogen, student, how much? 4. Oxygen is 2. Fe is 2. Charge you see, student, 2 to the 4, 2, 6. So here the charge is coming, student, plus 6. And this side charge, if you check, student, 2, 3 the 6. That is charge is again this side, student, how much? Plus 6. So everything is balanced, student. What is this then? Hence it is balanced. So how to balance, student? This is very simple, student. Once we have to understand, then after that it will be very easy. Thank you so much for watching, friends.